Hi everyone, welcome to this video on creating a cohesive design theme. A cohesive design theme can bring a sense of unity and balance to your home, but it can also be challenging to achieve. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips to help you create a cohesive design theme in your home. Tip number 1, define your style. The first step in creating a cohesive design theme is to define your personal style. Consider your favorite colors, patterns, and textures, as well as any furniture or decor pieces that you love. Tip number 2, choose a color palette. A consistent color palette is key to creating a cohesive design theme. Choose a few colors that complement each other and use them consistently throughout the space. Tip number 3, repeat design elements. Repeating design elements, such as patterns or textures, can help bring a sense of unity to your space. For example, you could use the same pattern on your curtains and throw pillows, or use the same texture on your walls and furniture. Tip number 4, incorporate consistent materials. Using consistent materials, such as wood, metal, or stone, can help create a cohesive design theme. For example, you could use the same type of wood for your furniture and flooring, or use the same type of stone for your countertops and backsplash. Tip number 5, accessorize with purpose. Accessories, such as artwork, pillows, and vases, can be used to tie a room together. Choose accessories that complement your color palette and design elements, and use them consistently throughout your space. I hope these tips have helped you in creating a cohesive design theme in your home. A cohesive design theme can bring a sense of unity and balance to your space, and make your home feel like a more cohesive and welcoming place. Thank you for watching.